Hey everyone, welcome back to TechRuzz Tutorials, where we simplify tech for everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on a Windows computer using XAMPP, step by step from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build and test WordPress websites right from your PC without paying for hosting or a domain name. So, grab a coffee and let's dive right in. Part 1. Download and install XAMPP. The first thing we need is a local server environment. For that, we'll use XAMPP. Step 1. Open your browser and go to apachefriends.org. Click on the Download XAMPP for Windows button. Choose the version with PHP 8 or higher. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer. Step 3. Click Next. Leave all default components checked, Apache, MySQL, PHP, phpMyAdmin, then click Next again. Select your installation folder. By default, it's C/XAMPP, and click Next to Next, then Finish. After installation, XAMPP Control Panel should open automatically. Now, let's make sure everything works. Step 4. Click Start next to Apache and MySQL. If both turn green, congratulations, your local server is ready. Part 2. Create a database for WordPress. Next, we'll create a database for WordPress. Step 1. Click the Admin button next to MySQL in your XAMPP control panel. This opens phpMyAdmin in your browser. Step 2. Click on New at the top. Then under Create Database, type your preferred name, for example, WordPress_DB, and hit Create. That's it. Your database is ready. Part 3. Download and install WordPress itself. Now let's install WordPress itself. Step 1. Go to wordpress.org and click Get WordPress, then Download WordPress. Step 2. Once it's downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it. Step 3. Copy the extracted WordPress folder and paste it into your C drive into the XAMPP htdocs directory. Now rename that folder to your desired local site name, for example, My Website. Step 4. Open your browser and type this address: http://localhost/my-website. You should now see the WordPress installation setup screen. Part 4. WordPress Setup Wizard. Let's go through the Setup Wizard. Choose your preferred language and click Continue. On the next screen, click Let's Go. Now WordPress asks for your database details. Database name, WordPress DB, the one we created earlier. Username, root. Password, leave it blank. Database host, localhost. Table prefix, WP_. You can leave it as is. Click Submit, then run the installation. Now set up your WordPress admin account. Site title, My Website. Username, My Site as one word. Password, choose the strong one. Email address, any valid email address. I'll use sample@gmail.com. Once you are done, click Install WordPress. After a few seconds, you'll see the success message, WordPress has been installed. Click Login and enter your admin username and password. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard. Part 5. Test your local site. Let's quickly test our local website. Open your browser and go to http://localhost/my-website. You'll see your fresh WordPress site live on your PC. You can now install themes, plugins, and start customizing your website all without needing internet hosting. It's perfect for beginners, developers, or anyone who wants to test ideas offline. And that's it. You've just installed WordPress locally using XAMPP. Bonus tip: you can create multiple WordPress sites on your computer by repeating the same process with new folders and databases. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to TechRuzz Tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.